Is your HP DeskJet 3752 not printing even though everything looks fine? Don't worry, you probably don't need a new printer just yet. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick and easy fixes that can get your HP DeskJet 3752 printing again. We'll clear stuck print jobs, check your printer settings, and update the printer driver. And if you want more simple step-by-step printer solutions, make sure to subscribe to Print Smart Help and turn on notifications. Let's start with the first fix. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Fix 1. Clear the print queue. First, let's remove any stuck print jobs. Step 1. Click Start and open Settings. Step 2. Go to Bluetooth and Devices. Step 3. Click Printers and Scanners. Step 4. Select your HP DeskJet 3752. Step 5. Click Open Print Queue. Step 6. Click the 3 dots at the top. Step 7. Choose Cancel All and confirm. Now, turn off your computer and restart it. After your computer starts again, try printing a document. Fix 2. Set HP DeskJet 3752 as the default printer. If the printer still doesn't print, make sure Windows is using the correct printer. Step 1. Click Start and search for printers and scanners. Step 2. Open it and find your HP DeskJet 3752. Step 3. If Let Windows Manage My Default Printer is turned on, turn it off. Step 4. Select your HP printer. Step 5. Open Devices and Printers or More Devices and Printer Settings. Step 6. Right-click your HP DeskJet 3752. Step 7. Select Set as Default Printer. Now try printing again. Fix 3. Update the printer driver. Step 1. Click Start. Step 2. Search for Device Manager and open it. Step 3. Find Print Queues and expand it. Step 4. Look for your HP DeskJet 3752. Step 5. Right-click the printer. Step 6. Select Update Driver. Step 7. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows check for and install an available driver. Once the update is finished, restart your computer and try printing again. These 3 fixes can solve many common HP DeskJet 3752 printing problems. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy printer troubleshooting tips.